Hi, I'm Joseph from IT2102, and for today's video, I will share to you a summary about Chapter 2, Configure a Network Operating System. Introduction. A network operating system enables device hardware to function and provides an interface for user to interact. So, in the CIA course of the study, students learn to configure both devices that connect to the network and devices that connect networks together. Learning to configure the Cisco Internet Network operating system on Cisco routers and switches is a large part of the Cisco CCNA program study. Cisco Internet Network Operating System is a generic term for the collection of network operating systems used by Cisco networking devices. Cisco IOS is used for most Cisco devices regardless of the type or size. So this is the introduction of chapter 2. So this is operating system part, so shell. The portion that interfaces with applications and the user. So as you hear, the shell is the portion that interfaces with applications and the user. So kernel, the portion of the OS that interacts directly with the computer hardware. So kernel is the one who interacts directly with computer hardware. So hardware, the physical part of the computer, including underlay and hardware. There's you can the motherboard, and then hard hard drive. All of that is the hardware and everything that makes the PC works. So, so this is the layer of hardware, kernel, and shell. So the users can interact with the shell using command line interface, CLI, or graphical user interface, or GUI. So CLI, the user interacts directly with the system in the text-based environment by entering commands on the keyboard at a command prompt. So system executes the command, often providing textual output. The CLI requires variably to lower and to open. So CLI is used to configure like switches, routers. Through CLI, you can configure them like IP address, and then put some commands to the router switch or the computer. So GUI. A GUI interface allows the user to interact with the system using an environment of graphical icons, windows, and windows. So the GUI is more user-friendly and requires less knowledge of underlying command structure that controls the system. So for this reason, many developers rely on GUI environments. So GUI example of that is in Python is tkinter and pyqt in networking. The GUI is used to make an application. So this is the purpose of GUI, to make your program look different and look unique. So access methods. So there are several ways to access the CLI environment and configure the device. The most common methods are consoles. So it's a physical management port that provides out-of-band access to the Cisco device. Out-of-band access refers to access via dedicated management channel that is used for device maintenance purposes only. So, secure shell to SSH is a method for remotely establishing a secure CLI solution to a virtual interface over a network. So Telnet is an insecure method of remotely establishing a CLI session through a virtual interface over a network. So unlike SSH, Telnet does not provide a secure encrypted connection. User authentication passwords and commands are sent over network in plain text. So terminal emulation programs, so PuTTY, so figure 1 as you can see, PuTTY configuration, Teraterms, which is the Teraterm, and then secure CRT, so these are secure CRT. So they are different. So difference about them are they use different GUI or graphical user interface. For me, security looks more modern and looks more presentable. So those are the programs. Terminal emulation programs. So primarily command mode. So those are example. This mode has limited capabilities but is useful for basic operations. It allows only a limited number of basic monitoring commands but does not allow the execution of any commands might change the configuration of the device. So the user exec mode is identified with a CLI prompt that ends with uh, greater than symbol. So privileged exec mode. So to execute configuration commands, a network administrator must access privileged exec mode. High configuration modes like global configuration mode can only be reached through a privileged exec mode. Privileged exec mode can be identified by prompt ending with a numbers and symbol. So if you want hide to highly configure your device or like a switch or router, you should be on the privileged exec mode. So configuration command mode. So global configuration mode. Access before other specific configuration mode. From global config mode, the user can enter different sub-configuration modes. So two common sub-configuration modes include LAN configuration mode used to configure console, SSH, Telnet, or AUX access. So I think LAN console configuration is for to have passwords on the on the device. So to make it to make to make it secure. So interface configuration mode used to configure switch port or router network interface. So that is interface configuration mode. Basic IOS command structure. Keyword specific parameters defined in the operating system. So example is IP protocol. So argument not predefined a value or variable defined by the user. So 192.168.10.5. So that's the basic iOS command structures. iOS command syntax. The following examples demonstrate convention used to document and use iOS commands. So ping IP address. So command is ping and user defined argument is the IP address of the destination device. For example, ping 10.10.10.5. So pinging is used to check if you can communicate to other network, and through that you can verify if the connection is okay and the configuration in the device is correct and good. So threshold IP address. The command is threshold and the user defined argument is the IP address to the destination device. For example, threshold 192.168.254.254. This is all about threshold. So iOS help feature context-sensitive help enables you to quickly find which commands are available in each command mode, which commands start with specific characters or group of characters, and which arguments, keywords are available to particular commands. So, to access context-sensitive help, simply enter a question mark. So at the CLI, so when you enter the question mark, there are the commands that can help you to configure the device. It's very helpful. So just type question mark at the CLI. So command syntax. Verifies that the valid command was entered by the user when the command is entered. The command line interpreter evaluates the command from left to right. So if the interpreter understands the command, the requested action is executed. And the CLI returns the appropriate prompt. However, if the interpreter cannot understand the command being entered, it will provide feedback describing what is wrong with the command. So that's all about command syntax. So it will check if you enter the wrong command. So just be careful on typing commands so that your configuration will not for your configuration to be okay. So host name. So when you configure a networking device, one of the first steps configuring a unique device name or host name. Host names that appear in the CLI prompts can be used in various authentication processes between devices and should be used on topology diagrams. So host name should start with a letter, contain no spaces, and with a letter or digit. Use only letters, digits, and dashes, be less than 64 characters. So that's are the guidelines to when you are naming a device. So host name, so start with a letter. Limit access to device configuration. Configure passwords. To secure full exact access, use the enable secret password global config command. So configure password. So as you can see password. So you can secure the privileged exact access by entering password. So just type enable secret. So password will enable secret, then your password to global config. So encrypt password, to encrypt password, use service password encryption global config. So purpose the function of service password encryption is the password will be encrypted so that when some hackers or unauthorized person that that unauthorized person, so when they see the password, will it will not they will not see the real password, but they can see the encrypted with the rumbled numbers and letters. So banner messages. To create a banner message of the day on the network device, use the banner MOTD, the message of the day global configure. So banner MOTD to warn the person who want to enter to change something in the device. So the example of banner MOTD is authorized access only. So to let they can where the unauthorized person, the another person to not open the router switch or anything that is configured. So that needs to be configured. So save configuration. So there are two system files that store device configuration. So startup config. The file stored in non-volatile random access memory that contains all of the commands that will be used by the device upon start to so NB alarm does not lose its contents when the device is powered. So the command for that is to copy run config and then start a config. So to save the configuration that you make on the device. So it will save the NV run. So that's the contains the device is powered. So running config, the file stored in random access memory that reflects the current configuration modif. Define running configuration affects the operation of the Cisco device immediately. RAM is volatile memory. It loses all of its content when the device is powered by first time. So that's the difference between NVRAM and RAM. So NVRAM does not lose its contents when the device is powered on. So oh, but and then RAM is so it loses all the contents when the device is powered up or started. So that's the difference between the two. IP addresses. So the use of IP addresses is the primary means of enabling devices to locate one another and establish end-to-end communication on the internet. Each end device on the network must be configured with an IP address. So the structure of an IPv4 address is called dotted decimal notation and is presented by four decimal numbers between 0 and 255. So IPv4 addresses are assigned to individual devices connected to the network. So we are familiar with the IP addresses. They can be assigned on the PCs, on the router, and they can be assigned to switches, tablets, so they can be assigned. So use the back pressure to test that. Interfaces and ports. So different types of network media have different features and benefits. Not all network media has the same characteristics and is appropriate for the same purpose. Some of the difference between various types of media include distance the media can successfully carry a signal, environment in which the media is to be installed, amount of data and speed at which it must be transmitted, cost of media and installation. That's all about interfaces and ports. So this is the example of interface and ports. So copper, fiber optics and wireless. So think the fastest here to transmit data is fiber optics. So copper is mainly used with wires and so fiber optics is used through light. So through light, so because it's fast. So wireless is wavelengths. So through wavelengths we can connect to internet. So fiber optics. I think optics is much faster than that if you want to transfer data. So manual and automatic IP address configuration for end devices. To manually configure an IPv4 address in Windows, host open the control panel, network sharing center, change adapter settings, and choose the adapter. Next, right click and select properties to display the local area ownership properties. In the network, DHCP enables automatic IPv4 address configuration for every end device that has DHCP enabled. Imagine the amount of time it would consume if every time you connected to the network, you had to manually enable the IPv4 address, the subnet mask, the default gateway, and the DNS server. So interface addressing verification in the same way that you use command and utilities like ipconfig to verify PC host network information. You also use commands to verify the interfaces and address settings of intermediary devices like switches and routers. End-to-end connectivity test, so the ping command can be used to test connectivity to another device on the network or website on the internet. So as I said earlier, so ping is so commands to test the connectivity, the other device reply, and then so that's end-to-end connectivity test. So that's all about the summary. That's all about my summary about chapter 2. Uh, so thank you. So thank you for watching and until next time.